Hi! So, I am straight out of my Qigong practice, my morning practice, and as you can see on my face, it seems like all the blood has gone to my face. It's been quite a workout. I just wanted to share with you something that I am so excited about. It's my new 4-week online course. And we will meet once weekly to go deeper into the teachings that you find on the course platform. So what is this course about? Well, it's about turning back the clock to reverse impact and sign from stress and self-neglect, find a place for ourselves in peace, wring out our bodies and our stress out of our bodies, exercise our face to make us look and feel younger and more healthy. So what's included? Well, there are 4 weeks, so 4 different modules, and the first module is breath, and we will go through breath and you learn a little bit about the importance of breathing correctly, and you'll learn some breathing exercises. The second week is sound and meditation. And what does sound have got to do with meditation? Well, sound can help us heal our bodies because of the vibration from the sound can stimulate the vagus nerve and help us become more peaceful, and has got wonderful, wonderful benefits. And with meditation, we're not just going to sit down. So I'm going to teach you some standing meditations as well. Some meditations you can do at any point, as well as sitting meditations. The third week is Qigong and Daoist medicinal Qigong. Well, the previous weeks also have been Qigong because breath is a big part of Qigong and meditation as well is a big part of Qigong. So it's been a build up to actually starting to work on some of the forms in Qigong. So I'm going to teach some warm up from the Meridian Qigong, and then you're going to learn one form from the 8 trigram organ Qigong, and that will help you open up your body, soften your body while strengthening your body, and heal your body with the movements that will help wring out tension and blockages. The 4th week is about the face, and it's face yoga a week. And it is not often that we learn and that we should exercise our face, right? We go to the gym and we go out running and we do all sorts with all the rest of our bodies, but not our faces. And our faces has got muscles and fascia as well as all the rest of the body, and the same thing there, it needs to be exercised and release tension to keep us looking younger, and also to relieve headaches and all sorts of problems we got in the face. So that's the big picture of the whole package. Is going to be amazing. I am super excited about this, to be able to share my knowledge with you about things that's really helping me every day. I hope you can make it. Details in the description.